What's your name?
PC Harvey from the
Okay.
North East Dog Unit.
Who?
PC Harvey from the North East Dog Unit. Are you one of these auditors that like...
From the North East Dog Unit?
That's it.
So you got dogs in there?
I have.
Alright.
Mate, just
You're not blocking me in, are you? No, I'm not coming over to the
Hello.
side. Don't touch me and don't follow me either. Dress me as sir.
Sir.
Keep it professional.
Another unit to assist with a stop outside TDJ, please. I've got someone filming the Met building and vehicles going in and out. I'm glad you've come onto the pavement.
No, I don't need to be on the pavement. Don't
Mate,
glad I've
you're
done
going
it.
out
You
of the
touch me.
pavement.
Listen.
For a search under section
All
43 of the Terrorism
yeah,
Act. All right,
okay.
I'm PC Harvey from North East.
All right. What information
Dog
have you
Unit.
got to
Use some common sense.
detain me under that?
Use some common
What
sense.
information have you got to detain me
you
under
let
that?
me speak-
If you holding me,
If you let me
look,
speak,
you're holding my
come
arm.
onto the pavement,
You're holding my
that's an
arm.
emergency
You're
base.
holding my arm.
Vehicles could come
You're
out
holding
of there
my
on blue
arm.
lights.
Yeah, but they're not, are they?
Okay, but they might.
But they're not.
And you're blocking that.
They're not.
So come onto the
No.
pavement. It's a...
Listen, the more you drag me, the more you're gonna.
put you onto the pavement.
Yeah, but you don't need to put me on the pavement.
Where misconduct gets exposed, police and legal encounters are broken down, and accountability is demanded. Today's episode comes from *** Yardley Ski auditing ***. Be sure to check the link below, subscribe to his channel, and give him the credit he deserves in this audit. Yardley Ski is calmly filming outside a police station when, in less than 60 seconds, an officer lashes out and detains him. No questions, no investigation, just a raw display of authority on a power trip, but Yardley doesn't flinch. He challenges every flaw in the officer's actions, exposes the unlawful detention, and later walks away with a solid compensation payout in court. Another textbook example of police overreach turned into a costly embarrassment.
Yeah.
These can be sites that are
Can be.
vulnerable to terrorist attack.
And
okay?
what?
And when
What have you
people-
got? What information have you got to suspect me of that?
Are you gonna?
What information have you got to suspect me of that?
Are you gonna listen, or are you just gonna keep?
Well,
talking
I'm
over
detained,
me?
aren't I?
Huh?
I'm detained, aren't
You
I?
are, but you're asking. You're asking.
But I don't
me
have to listen
questions.
to you, do I?
You're asking me questions that
Yeah.
you want the answers to.
Go on then, what's
and
the
every
answer?
time I speak to you, you're talking over me
All right
and not
then.
allowing me to talk.
Go on then, talk.
Okay. So you might be one of these new auditors, they're called. They like to provoke a response out of the police to try and get something for clicks and likes and views on YouTube. It's like a new trend that people like to do. Also, you could have suspected terrorists potentially that could be doing what's called hostile reconnaissance, and what people do before they may decide to launch a terrorist attack is they like to come and do recce's of the buildings and the vehicles that they might think I'm going to do an attack on that vehicle or that car. That's another reason. Okay, and that's why I've stopped you, and that's why you've been detained.
The officer stepping out and instantly restricting the auditor's movement reeks of assumption, not policing. What makes it even more absurd is his own question, asking if the individual is one of those auditors. That shows he already knew what was happening, a lawful audit, not a threat. But instead of applying that knowledge sensibly, he jumped straight to section 43 a serious counter-terrorism power designed for genuine threats, not someone standing on a public pavement with a camera. His decision wasn't based on observation, investigation, or reasonable suspicion. It was a snap judgment backed by shaky logic. And when an officer who knows what auditors are still chooses to weaponize anti-terror legislation against them, that isn't ignorance. That's a deliberate misuse of authority.
Why do you suspect me of doing that?
Because that building
Why do you suspect
is vulnerable.
me? Why do you suspect me of doing that?
Because of where you are.
Am I doing a lawful activity?
No, but it's suspicious.
But am I doing a lawful activity? No,
by
answer that
walking
question.
around?
Answer that question. Am I doing a lawful activity?
What, by filming a police building and vehicles coming in and out of it?
Yeah.
No, mate, it's suspicious.
Oh, it's not. No, but
Okay,
it's
some
lawful though.
people-
It doesn't
some
have to be. So
people-
what if it's suspicious? It's lawful, yeah? It's
lawful,
legal.
yeah,
It's legal.
but
It's
I
legal.
also- but
It's legal.
still-
Stop there.
Okay, so you're still talking
Yeah,
over
because
me?
it's legal. I'm not doing nothing wrong. What information have you got to suspect me
Your
of being
behaviour.
a terrorist?
Your
What's my
behaviour and
behaviour?
your
Because I'm
action.
filming.
Huh?
Because I'm doing something
you're-
lawfully.
Because you're filming
Am I being unlawful? Am I
building.
breaking the law?
Huh?
Am I breaking the
Yeah,
law?
you've been detained under section 43.
Yeah, but am I breaking the law?
Mate, don't do that. That
No,
could
I
be an
can't do
unmarked
that.
Vehicle.
I don't care if it's an unmarked vehicle. I can stand there and do whatever I want.
That power that under section 43 of the Terrorism Act
Yeah.
gives us the power to look at phones that are being used, photos that have been taken on those phones and videos. So that's what I'm going to do on that Samsung at the moment.
Invoking hostile reconnaissance as justification for detaining someone peacefully filming is such a stretch it discredits the entire stop. Real terrorists don't announce their intentions by openly filming in broad daylight. And if they did want to plan an attack, they would use far more covert methods: Google Earth, drones, or anonymous online mapping tools, not stand outside with a handheld camera in full view. Then, if you accepted the idea of a remote threat, the officer's logic collapses under basic context. The auditor wasn't sneaking around or disguising his actions, he was filming openly, in plain sight. To treat that as a serious enough risk to invoke Section 43 ***, a power meant for genuine terror threats, is reckless at best and dangerous at worst. By conflating lawful, public filming with suspicious behavior, the officer not only misapplied the law but undermined the very credibility of using counter-terror powers in situations where they're actually needed.
That you're doing something legally by stopping me under Section 43.
That's few
crazy.
and far between.
No,
That's
it's not few and far between. No, get your facts right.
You can carry on
get your
recording
facts right.
if you want, and I'm telling you what's going on at the moment.
Okay, I will carry on
what's your
recording.
name?
I'm not going to tell you my name.
Okay, can you take your bag off?
No.
No, okay, so I'm going to search you with it on your back. So turn around and look at the wall.
I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not going to follow your instructions.
Alright, you can just sit tight there.
Yeah. Do you know what? Your colleague, right, stopped me under Section 43.
Okay.
Yeah? But I've done nothing wrong. I've been filming here. Yeah?
I can't film on behalf of my
No,
colleague,
but I've been filming, but I've done nothing wrong.
I can't speak on behalf of my colleague, come on.
Yeah, but I'm filming. It's filming. It's filming. Yeah, but it's filming wrong.
Okay.
Can I film?
It's
I'm just
asking
asking you.
questions.
No, I'm asking you.
Listen,
I'm
listen.
asking you though.
Let me finish then.
Okay, go on
Every
then.
time I speak, you speak both
Yeah,
ways.
that's what he said earlier on. Yeah,
Well,
you same
maybe
script.
it's that.
Yeah,
Well, no,
same
because
script.
I want
But
to
I'm
hear
asking
it.
you a straight
You did it
question.
again now,
Well,
aren't
answer
you?
the question. Yes or no?
Let me speak before.
Okay. Is that a yes or no answer?
Yes, you just be
Oh, so I can film, yeah?
And he's told that to
I
you.
can film. So,
I've heard him say
if
to
I
you
can
on this
film,
video.
why is he stopping me under Section 43?
I'm not him, I don't know.
Okay.
Alright,
You see?
so there you go then.
He's not you, he doesn't know. If it was him, he wouldn't have stopped me. You know why? Because I can
probably
film
will. That's what
on
we
the
might do.
street, legally, lawfully.
The officer's attempt to justify searching through the auditor's phone by citing Section 43 of the Terrorism Act is not only misleading, it's legally flawed. Section 43 allows for a stop and search when there's reasonable suspicion of terrorist activity, but it does not grant blanket authority to dig into someone's personal digital content. Accessing photos, videos, or messages requires a far higher threshold, such as a warrant, informed consent, or powers under Schedule 7 ***, none of which applied here. What's even more troubling is how casually the officer tried to assert this level of invasive power, without the slightest shred of evidence pointing to genuine terrorist intent. Based solely on the act of filming a public building, he acted as if that gave him a free pass into private digital property. It didn't. And that kind of overreach is a serious abuse of authority.
Don't put your hand on me. Don't put your hands on me. Do not put your hand on me. I can put this anywhere I like.
Don't in your face.
No, listen, you are standing close to me. No, you go away. Go away. You step away. Right? Because now you're antagonizing me.
I'm not antagonizing
Yes, you are. You're trying to escalate the situation.
let me speak?
Step
You let me
away.
speak?
Step away
No, I
and do
won't.
not touch me.
No, I won't feel away.
Well then, I'm not going to let you speak. I don't want to touch. Look, you're doing it again. You're doing it again.
Don't,
You're
it's
threatening me. You
Phil,
are threatening me.
Phil,
You are causing me alarm and
Phil.
distress. You're such a
then.
way away from me. You do not need to outstretch your hand.
stand there, then.
I can stand
Stand
where
there.
I like.
Don't put it in someone's face.
I can stand where I like.
Stop being in my face.
I can put this in my face.
No, 'cause
Oh,
away
do you know?
from me.
I'm
Hold
not
the
going
distance
near
away.
you. I'm not going near you, but I can put it in your face if I
Oh,
like.
away.
Okay.
That's fine.
Yeah, cool.
That's
You got
fine.
an arm distance. I've got an arm distance.
That's fine then. But don't put it in his face like you were doing.
I can do what I want.
Like, no, you can't.
Yes, I can actually.
can't, my
I
friend.
can.
Stop coming near us then.
Yeah, look, I'm not coming near you. You're the one that's stepping near me. Move your hand.
No.
Move your hand for me.
my
all right.
self-distance, my
All right then,
fucking
big man, big
It's
man,
safe-
big
it's
man.
safety.
Yeah, whatever.
It's safe, my friend.
Yeah.
Self-defined
yeah.
ethnicity.
See, you're right in my face now. You're right in my face, so you think you can do it, but I can't.
No, it's my safety.
Yeah, look, see?
My safety.
Well, my
you
safety.
You and I
Look, see?
a minute ago, weren't you, my friend?
Look, see?
There you go. Just stand there. That's
No,
fine.
I'm not standing here, I'm moving. I can
Yeah,
walk.
well, stay a distance away from us then.
Shut up.
This moment lays bare just how fragile and unjustified the original detention really was. When the auditor calmly asks the arriving officer a simple question, "Can I film in public?" The officer eventually admits, yes. That single admission dismantles the entire foundation of the Section 43 stop. Because if filming in public is lawful, and the officer can openly acknowledge that, then why was the first officer so quick to leap to the most extreme powers under anti-terror legislation? Even more damning is the follow-up, "I'm not him. I don't know." That isn't just a deflection, it's an unintentional confirmation that there was no clear, consistent, or justified reasoning behind the detention at all. When terrorism powers are invoked, the standard should be ***solid, articulable grounds. ***, yet here, It's painfully obvious the first officer acted on assumption, not suspicion. And when assumptions replace evidence, rights get trampled.
What's your surname? Or are you refusing to give that?
Who's refusing?
I don't know. What's your surname?
Don't use the word refuse.
Okay, what's
Do
your
I have to
surname?
give it to you?
No, you don't.
Well then.
So you are refusing?
I'm not refusing.
Well, you are.
I'm not refusing. I don't have to give it to you. Why don't you understand what you're saying?
Do you want to just show us the gallery on the phone of the photos that you've taken in the videos?
And
You have to do that under the law.
I have to do that under the law.
Yeah, under
actually,
section 43.
let me just say something to you.
Go on.
Right, hold on. Where's my thing? Give me my stop slip.
I'm going to give it to you in a minute once we're finished.
Okay, let me just say something before
Go
I
on.
turn this off and show you.
You don't
yeah?
have to turn it off, but you can
No,
keep it
I will have to
recorded.
turn it off. How can I record if I've got to show you stuff?
Because you can keep the app going, can't you?
What app? My filming app.
I don't know, whatever you're
Well, that's
using
what
to
I'm
film.
filming, yeah. But let me just tell you something, yeah?
Go on.
I don't want you to look at my personal property.
Right.
Yeah? Under section 43,
Yeah.
it doesn't say that you can look under my property
Okay.
in the sense that you're saying it.
Right.
Obviously, you're coercing me that I have to show you because
Right.
as far as you're concerned,
Yeah.
this is part of your bully boy tactics. What are you looking for?
Similar sort of things at other protected sites.
No, what are you looking for? Be specific.
Photographs
Of-
and
go on,
films
yeah.
of other police buildings, and if there's a pattern of behaviour.
But obviously,
I've already explained
But
it to you
obviously,
when I
I
first
filmed
started.
police buildings. But what did you say I was?
Huh?
What did you say I could be?
The terrorist?
No, you didn't say that as
Yes,
well.
I did.
Two things you said.
Mate,
What was the
it's
other
all on
thing?
here, bro.
What was the other thing? Don't bother me. What was the other thing you said?
I don't know. Go on.
Oh, you can't remember?
No.
You said two things. You said you
Go
could be one of these new.
Oh, an auditor.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I'm an auditor, what will I have on my phone?
I don't know. I haven't looked at it yet.
No, but what would I have on it if I'm an auditor? If you know about auditing, what will I have on my phone?
Other videos
Of?
and photos
Of?
of officers, of ambulance staff, of firefighters.
No. We don't do ambulance or
anything
firefighters.
like
We just
that.
do police.
Just for, like,
Well,
clicks.
I just do police personnel.
Okay, lovely.
Yeah.
Do you want to stop
So that's
filming
what
now?
you're going to see on my phone.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. Are we
And is that
finished?
going to be an issue?
I don't know yet because I haven't had a look.
Yeah, but they're going to be the same as filming. This is what I'm
Right.
saying. You're not going to see any different.
This is
If you suspect someone is part of a lawful, well-documented movement known for filming public buildings to hold police accountable, then finding those very same videos on their phone can't suddenly become suspicious. That isn't evidence, it's confirmation of exactly what they said they were doing. What makes it worse is the officer's vague response, *, I don't know yet. *, that says everything. It shows he went digging without a clear, lawful objective. He wasn't searching for something specific tied to a criminal offense, he was fishing, hoping to stumble on anything that could retroactively justify the stop. That completely flips the principle of reasonable suspicion on its head. Instead of evidence driving the search itself is being used to create justification after the fact. In practice, the officer is essentially saying, *, I think you might be doing something legal, but let me search you just in case it somehow isn't. *, that isn't policing. That's abuse of authority.